In the business report, VM Investments Limited has advised of the appointment of Mr. Dennis G. Cohen as director of the company, effective October 1, 2025. One-on-One Educational Services Limited has advised that Mrs. Karen Vaz tendered her resignation as director and consequently as chairperson of the Remuneration Subcommittee, effective August 31, 2025. Palace Amusement Company 1921 Limited has advised that at a meeting of the Board of Directors held on July 8, 2025, Mr. David Allen, Chief Executive Officer of Info Exchange Limited, was appointed a director of the company. Salada Foods Jamaica Limited has advised of the appointment of Mr. Michael Murray as Financial Controller, effective October 1, 2025. Beretta Investments Limited has officially launched its flagship analyst program, Analyze and Rise, an 18-month journey to develop Jamaica's next generation of financial leaders. Following weeks of nationwide promotion and a highly competitive selection process that attracted over 200 applications, 5 young professionals have begun hands-on rotations, executive mentorship, and strategic project work. Additionally, CIBC Caribbean launched the Chief Commercial Office Immersion Program with 6 newest trainees. The CCO Immersion is an intensive 18-month training program designed to attract talent to CIBC Caribbean's corporate and personal and business banking segments. Through immersion experience with coaching, exposure to various aspects of the bank under the guidance of mentors. Upon completion of the program, graduates are offered permanent roles in the bank. Now for a report on the market highlights from Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending October 2, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,980,118 units traded, representing 26.86% of market sales volume. Investment finance firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial shares of 2,132,743 units traded, representing 14.39% of market sales volume. Fiberglass manufacturer JFP Limited shares of 1,738,582 units traded, representing 11.73% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 2, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $51.72 million purchased and US $48.41 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.96 per dollar, selling the US at $161.36 and buying the US at $159.40. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $4.54 per transaction, with selling at $117.23 and buying at $112.69. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.90 in profits, with selling at $217.18 and buying at $214.28. For the credit report tip of the day, every dream costs money. Whether it's launching a business, buying a property, or building an investment portfolio, you need capital to make it real. But before a bank or investor hands you $1, they check one thing first: your credit report. It's not a side detail. It's the first test of whether your ambition is just talk or if you're ready for funding. Now, when you're building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to resilience and beyond in your financial life, Don't wait for the perfect time to build wealth. Create it now. For professional women over the age of 45, the smartest strategy is to blend the security of a full-time job with the high earning potential of seasonal work. By stacking opportunities like real estate, insurance, and tax preparation on top of your career, you can generate extra income, strengthen financial resilience, and turn every season into a wealth building season. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. We'll see you soon.